Hi, I'm Jason with ExpertVillage.com. Today we're making the drawer handle out of antler. We've talked about the tools we're going to use. We know what's going to replace it, and the first step is making the hole in the middle of the bone. And remember, we want the outside curve to go outside. I just put my fingers close to center on both sides, and I'm going to mark on the top edge of the bone. I'm going to mark two sides so that I can see where center is, looking over here and looking over here. I don't want to put a dot here and then a dot here and have it be crooked. So if I keep the alignment right into the middle, I can put a small hole here, flip it over, follow my line to center, make another dot. Without looking, I place my finger here, and I know center should be here. I can look at an angle, looking at it in like this, and the two dots will match. And we're not going to drill all the way through one side to the other. We're going to drill in one side part way, and then in the other side part way. We're going to take I'll show you the technique in the next step. You don't want to go all the way through, and you want to go in and out with your cutting bit, and you want to keep it a little bit cool with the bone. So we'll go over that next.